Good morning, beautiful people. It is Thursday. This is Luisa Rocchild-Smith, Independent Sales Director with Mary Kay. I am so excited to be doing this video, launching our new fall products that you can definitely use for any kind of gift giving, whether it's the holidays or just any time of the year, because these products are just fabulous. They are limited edition, and that's why I'm bringing it to you in September so that you have time to get it, because if not, they're gonna run out. So I want to start with, oh my word, I just love these new mini eyeshadows. Look at those amazing colors. Can you believe it? They are so gorgeous, and it comes with it's complimentary lipstick that you can also purchase. This is called Spice of Life. It's a beautiful I don't know if you can see that. See how pretty that color is? Yes, very pretty. And so these again are limited edition, and those are our new fall eyeshadows. We have two sets of colors. This is our second color, and this is called our Radiant Confidence. This is Radiant Confidence. The other one was Feel Fierce. So isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that, I just love them. And this blue, don't let this blue scare you, because this blue looks amazing on every eye that I have seen it on. Look at the lipstick is called Tenacious Taupe. Look how pretty it is. You see that? Because I'm a little tan right now. You can hardly see it on my skin color, but it's kind of like a natural, like a neutral. And it looks really pretty on lighter skin tone, but also even on darker skin tones. So again, here is your Feel Fierce with your Spice of Life lipstick. And here is your Radiate Confidence with your Tenacious Taupe. Limited edition. Those are our new fall colors. And when you buy $55 of any of the color, Mary Kay gives you this beautiful bag, this beautiful cosmetic bag for $5. Look how pretty it is. It has lashes on it. I don't know if you can see the lashes. Isn't that cute? And it's a nice size for your purse. It's a nice size on the inside, and then you just close it. And it has a beautiful zipper also, by the way. Has that, what do you call this? The rose gold? Yes, very pretty. So, makes beautiful gifts. If you want to give that just as a gift to someone with some color inside, that's perfect. Okay, you see this lipstick I have on? This is our new lip lacquers. They come in 3 colors. I have the Plum on. Comes in cherry, rose, and plum. I think you've seen with the cherry before. This is the plum. I think this one and the cherry are gonna be my favorite. They come in these 3 bottles, and so you line your lip, and then you fill your lips with the lip lacquer, which is a 12-hour hold and guaranteed. I've already done a couple of videos. This stuff lasts. You have to kind of struggle to take it off a little bit with the eraser. So this is the lip color. This is the eraser. See, it's clear. And then this is the sealer. So you put the lip lacquer, you line your lips, you fill them with this, you seal them with the sealer, which is white. And it leaves you a little, as you can see, shine, but that shine kind of wears off and it looks a little more matte. And here's the eraser, and you need to use this to take it off, because I'm telling you, the stuff stays on your lips. Okay, so for those of you that have been asking, and I know many of you have, do we have a 12-hour stay lips that when you're going out and you don't want to be retouching your lips and you don't want your cups to have any residue from your lips? Look at that. Right now it has a little shine because I just put on the sealer, but no color. No color is on my hands. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so what else do I have for you? Again, these are limited edition. So consultants that are watching this video, you have to order because they are going to go away. They're going to go away. So make sure that you do that. And if you need help doing that, make sure you get a hold of me. For those of you that have your personal consultants, make sure you get a hold of them because, again, this is going to run out. Another new product that we have, which I am absolutely, again, loving, is our new body butter. Okay. Look how pretty. It comes in this pretty box. It's called Be Delighted. And guess what? You can put a bow on this and you have a beautiful gift that people will love you for and they will ask you for more. So this body butter, you just take it and you literally put it all over. It's literally, it smells amazing. It's very, the scent is not overpowering, but it absolutely gives you a nice, fresh, silky feeling to your skin. And I absolutely, again, it makes your skin feel very soft and love it. As all butters, it's nice and smooth and silky. So you're going to absolutely also love this. And again, this makes an amazing, amazing gift at any time of the year. So what else do I have for you? Oh, my word. Okay, so I have something that especially young people have been asking for. You know, everybody's into masking these days. So here it is, your mask. Oh, my word. Look at this. You have 4 pods, and they all have a different strategy. One is called Miss Pore for the pores, perfect. Energy Queen is the second one. Lady Serenity, and the other one is Dewy Gal. So they all have a different purpose. It tells you here how to do it. These make amazing, again, gifts for teenagers. They love to mask. For us too, of course, but it comes with, or you can get it. We recommend this brush that comes with it. It is a silicone brush. Okay, so no, no bristles. It is silicone. It washes easily. You don't have to be waiting for it to dry. And it's you can put it on very easy, very smooth. This is also great for your foundation primer. Girls, I'm telling you, this brush is also, this is not a limited edition item. So this you can actually get anytime, but it's brand new and I'm loving it. Okay, so here's your masking kit, Mad About Masking. Again, for those teenagers that you want to teach good skincare habits and masking, for them to start masking. And look at this, you can do different types of masks on your face. So whatever it is that you're targeting, you can actually put each pod on a different area. Isn't that great? I think that's just so amazing that Mary Kay has come out with something so fun and so much needed. So that's our new masking kit, Mad About Masking. Well, what else do I have for you? I have something else that people have been asking for. You know how you want to freshen up with a little perfume while you're out and about? Well, guess what? We have come out with 3. Yes, 3. What do you call these? Fragrance travel spray. That's what they are. Fragrance travel spray. And my favorite is Live Fearlessly. And I am going to actually, oh, I love it. It's awesome because look at this. This is just so amazing. You can just take this with you in your purse and you can actually have them handy. They're $22 each. So, and by the way, the masking kit is $25. So that is awesome. That's a nice gift under 50, right? So one is Cityscape, by the way. One is Cityscape. The other one is Live Fearlessly. And the other one is Forever Diamond. So those are the three fragrances that we have these travel sprays in. So isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. And by the way, these are $36 each in case you were wondering. And our lipsticks are $18. Yes, that's a bargain, girl. That is a bargain. And these are, by the way, matte lipsticks in case you were wondering about that. And our lip lacquer, again, in case you were wondering how much this kit is, which comes in a box like this, is $39, which is awesome, especially when you don't have to keep reapplying it all day. So you are saving. Well, what else do I have for you? I have the Silkening Dry Oil. Again, this is an oil that you basically take a shower and then just put it on your skin while you're still, you know, wet, humid from your shower. And this, oh my word, this is amazing. It just, again, leaves your body nice and silky and soft, and it keeps the humidity in your body, so you don't have to put on any lotion after, because this is the lotion, if you will, but it's a body oil. So it is awesome. And again, it's not overpowering in terms of the scent. It's very, very light fragrance. So it's a dry body oil. It's Silkening Dry Oil, and it's a Cityscape in terms of the scent. And this is $20. Again, girls, talking about perfect gifts, these are it. Okay, so the last thing I have for you is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gift boxes that Mary Kay has put out. Look how cute. So you can use these. There's actually a set of 3 for $6. So this is the one that this bow opens up, and you can literally just throw in there the lip lacquer. It's perfect size for the lip lacquer. Isn't this cute? And then the other one, it's the medium. That's the small. The medium, I already have it packed up, but it's really comes like this. I put a gift wrapping so you can see that what you can do with it. It's perfect. And then the other one is the bigger one that I actually had wrapped, but I unwrapped it because I had to take out the purse from it. I put the purse, the little makeup bag in here. It fits perfectly. So look how pretty. So, and you can, again, wrap it with a nice bow and you are done. So all 3 of them, small, medium, and large, for $6. You cannot go wrong with that. So ladies, I have given you all our fall products, and I am super excited about all of them. I know that you are also excited about them, because you're going to be calling me or calling your personal beauty consultants to order them. And remember, they are limited edition, so if you wait, you're going to miss the boat. So I hope this has been helpful. Consultants that are watching this, please get your orders in, because you are going to miss the boat if you do not get your orders in, and order enough of it so you have it handy, because even after you know, down the road, people are going to still be asking, is there any more of this? Do you have any more left? And so you will be able to service your customers and your new customers that you'll be getting. So have an amazing day. I am so excited to be sharing this with you, all our new fall products.